Aw, these dumplings are so cute. Of course, noodles come in all shapes and sizes. But when it comes to dough, some of us have a need to knead. Wow, now that's what I call a 1-ton wonton. Well, that just means there's more to squish. Dumplings come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Like transparent, or rainbow, or both, apparently. Either way, it's a jiggly little puff. No relation. Uh-oh, there was a reason he was all tied up. What's gonna happen to his bubbly personality? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Or filled. Aw, these guys grow up, or blow up, so fast, don't they? A lot of our friends are in the mood for dumplings. So you're saying that there's a business for them? Seems like the perfect time to try out our new dumpling vending machine. Gotta love the world of supply and demand. But don't forget, it's what's on the inside that counts. Like our special mechanism. And some mini dumplings wouldn't hurt. Why don't we try the tried and true rainbow model? One in each color. After all, it worked for SpongeBob's Pretty Patties. Couldn't be easier. Pull the lever and you get a treat. Okay, Sonic. Want to be our first victim? Wontons are nice, but sometimes all you need's a nice gumball. After all, what goes in sometimes comes out with a bang. Especially when it's time to go pop. And there's a special surprise in this bubble. A little bow. A pillowy steamed bun. Aw, it's a baby bow, and it's about to blow. Everything and anything is improved with glitter. Ah, green and gold. Such rich colors. But why don't we go and share the wealth? Cream-filled dumplings? Donuts, maybe. Oh, look. Our platinum bunny wants to help. And nothing beats freshly squeezed. What are we making exactly? A silly goo? A slimy stew? Well, whatever it is, we know that it's going places. It's filling, which means it has to fill something. Ah, funnels. Is there nothing they can't do? Just tie it up nice and tight. And put on a happy face. On the dumpling, of course. But smile if you want to. Either way, congrats on your bouncy baby ball. Ooh, are we searching for buried treasure? Quick, get the sift! There's gold in them thar sand. Even better, we've got a baby bunting dumpling. Always wondered where they came from. Wash it off. In fact, you could use a bath. You know what that means? Bubbles. A loofah won't hurt either. Wow, you're ruby red! Let's hope some witch doesn't make shoes out of him. Wow, a safe. Probably shouldn't show your code on screen. After all, we've got a real treasure inside. It's another dumpling? Ugh, she doesn't seem too happy. I mean, I guess you've had your fill so far. Don't worry. I know something that'll cheer you up. Our friends have returned to keep you company. Or add some flavor to these dumplings, whichever comes first. We're really on a roll. I wonder what's inside. Blocks! Well, what'd you expect? Dumplings? Come on, we always keep our audiences guessing. Besides, we can still use them to make a dumpling. I think. Better crank out the magic wand. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Ha! Voila! A parfait dumpling! Wow! A dumpling Happy Meal! And what speedy delivery! Is that a slice of cheese? Well, it sure is stretchy. Well, when life gives you cheese, make cheeseburgers. And we like our buns nice and squishy, just like our dumplings. Any takers? Oh, Derpy's always here to help. Especially when it comes with a free lunch. Wait, the napkin! Yes! It looks like inspiration strikes! Cut it into a circle, fold like a fan, and run a needle and thread through it. Stuff it up with some, well, stuffing, and pull that thread. No one's, not even dumplings, complete without a smile. You can never have too much fun squishing. And you can never have enough dumplings. Gotta love when they come in blind bag form. Oh, it looks like we've got a set of wrappers. I guess that means there's some assembly required. I wonder if we get to supply our own filling. Well, guess that makes it easy to customize. You know the drill. Put on a happy face. But let's mix things up with a little wink. Always remember, the best dumplings are made with love. Okay, guys, who's up for a little mecha chameleon? Get your guy into position. Wait, don't touch that! I think you made him mad. Fiery mad! Wait, he's just 3D. Does this mean the game's over? Before it's begun? Well, we can help give you some camouflage. See? You blend right in at the local skate park. But next, why don't we try something with a little bit more color? Ooh, blocks! Either that or over the rainbow. Spring must be in the air because everything's coming up daisies. It's always nice to have secret friends in your corner. Ah, nothing beats a fun summer picnic on the beach. Especially when it comes with free watermelons. Huh? Oh, let's crack this sucker open like a coconut. Wow, and it's filled with all sorts of blocks, too. We can use it to make some familiar faces. Picnics are always better with friends, unless they're ants. But I'm sure Orin and Goo Goo aren't ants, I think. Wow, you two are really animated. Now we can have some fun. Hungry? Makes sense. The food is blocks around here. But these apples seem okay. What? Are you carnivores? Well, that answers that. But it's a dog-eat-dog world. Aw, he just can't stay mad at you two. You just know they're all gonna sleep good tonight. But I think these two need to rest up a bit. Besides, those sausages were only the appetizer. We brought our special portable grill. And it even runs on the power of imagination. Sure, propane tastes better, but it's cost-effective. Nothing beats a burger for a beach day. Bacon and eggs on the side? Now that's what I call brunch. At Oren's size, the beach is like wandering the desert. Yeah, bury him in the sand. He needs a nap. Speaking of which, look who's up now. Oh, that makes you our buried treasure. But if you want to play in the sand, use a shovel. Can you dig it? Don't forget, it's important to hydrate. What did I tell you? Sand is no match for Ultra Oren. Wow, is he building a pyramid? Without aliens? Wait, no, it's a sandcastle. But what a castle! And Oren's the king of this castle.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, look, this beach has got a playground. Why don't we start with the slide? Ooh, climb up and see what it leads to. Wow, it's like your own tree fort. Not sure how we got here, but I'm not complaining. Ooh, a rock climbing wall, but wood. Uh-oh, I forgot that outside had bees. Oh, you guys don't look so good. But we brought first aid. A toy set? That's just what the doctor ordered. For cartoon characters. Why don't you lie down? We'll take care of you. This ointment will help cool things off. Ah, you feel better. But you don't look good. Don't worry, it's nothing a little shower can't fix. But at your size, the sink might work better. Okay, you guys want the tub? But can you handle the tub?
Okay.
Say hello to our little friend, the shower head. Oh, do we have to send you guys to the groomer? Okay, you guys would prefer a bath. Make that bubble bath. Do you need a rubber ducky? Guess Oren likes to make his own water slide. Wow, it sure is better down where it's wetter. But I think we need to keep Oren safe at home. Somebody's getting another bath. Come on, guys. Let's take you to the romper room. Let's roll out the red carpet for you. Well, the yellow mat. 'Cause it's time we do some morning stretches. Sure, it's the afternoon, but we've clearly been busy. Hey, why don't you guys join us too? How about we start with a little weightlifting? See, you can get hurt if you don't know what to do. First things first, hydrate. Drink some water. Not too much. Oh, water's a terrible thing to waste. we're gonna need something to size things out. And look cute while doing it, like this bunny fountain. Just add the water and make sure it's screwed on tight. Now place the right amount in a right-sized cup and enjoy. But you know, exercise can be more fun with friends. Why don't we make this a workout party? Sure, all our friends have a bit of a soft touch, but something tells me the name of the game is wrestling. Of course, Gugu and Orin are our local heavyweights. Heavy lies the head that bears the crown. But somebody has to clean up all this mess. A camera? Did it record? We can sell the fight on pay-per-view. Or, you know, find out who did it. Never mind, a cartoon cloud covered it up. Hate when that happens. Either way, it's time to start the investigation. Where's Sherlock when you need him? Or Scooby-Doo? Aha! The usual suspects. Let's let the punishment fit the crime. The two of you need to take out the trash. Okay, you've paid your debt to society. How about a treat? Like a special mystery blind box. Of course, every Happy Meal comes with a prize. But you don't expect it to bite you back. See? It's a toy. Okay, maybe its bite is worse than its bark. Cool. This next toy is a shapeshifter. Just look at it stretch. Wow, these two sure do scare easily. But put it away. It's starting to creep me out. Finally, we got some food with our meal. Oh, it's a cute little dumpling. But I don't think it's the eating kind. Either way, it comes in all sorts of flavors. Of course, we saved the best for last. The glitter dumpling. This one's a keeper. Don't worry, folks. They're cartoons. They can eat anything. They're basically goats. Well, if you want seconds, you'll have to play the game. No, not this one. How about round 2? Sorry, the glitter dumpling truly is an enigma. Let's look away before they get hungry. Anything left? Did we get fries with that? No, but we got blocks. We can use them to make all sorts of things. Like a brand new pad for our two favorite little buddies. And it looks like we've even made a brand new friend.